Alright, this is a Samsung Google Chromebook. I just want to show you how to reset it. And it's easy to reset since everything is synced to Google. So all you have to do is hit Alt, Control, Shift, and press R. And you get Reset this Chrome device. I covered the name of the person who resetting this from. This is a donated item I got. So you can hit Power Wash to reset your Chrome device. It will just be like all new and all local data is removed. So you just hit Power Wash. Confirm Power Wash. Your device will be reset and all user accounts with local data will be removed. This cannot be undone. Hit continue. And it rebooted. And that's it. Google Chromebook reset. Less than 2 minutes.